So today we'll practice a meditation which gives some experience or the right experience. So one has directly we'll try to experience now. Just keep your body relaxed. And just observe through your five senses. जैसे आप आंखों के सामने जो भी चीज है, थिंग्स है, उसको देखना है। और ये सारा मेडिटेशन में है ना, आपकी आंख खोल के रखना पड़ेगा। तो आंखों के सामने जो भी चीज है, सभी का आंख खोला है ना, सब चीज देखिए और साथ साथ जो भी आवाज आ रहा है उसको भी सुनना है। आंखों के सामने जो चीज पड़े हैं सब देख रहे हैं आप, और आवाज को भी सुन रहे हैं। साथ साथ आवाज के बीच में, कोई भी दो आवाज के बीच में साइलेंस होता है ना, उसका महसूस करना। विल ट्राई टू एक्सपीरियंस, हम अलग अलग है ना कुछ अनुभव करने के लिए कोशिश करेंगे। इसके लिए आप जो नॉर्मल करते हैं ऐसा नहीं करना आज के लिए, है ना। जो मैं बोलता हूँ ऐसा ही करना। कुछ आत्मा परमात्मा कुछ भी नहीं है, खाली बैठना है बस। खाली बैठ के आंखों के सामने जो चीज है सबको देख रहे हैं आप, आवाज सुन रहे हैं, आंख खोल के। कीप योर आईज ओपन। और जो भी आवाज आ रहा है उसको, कोई भी आवाज जो भी आपके पास, फैन का होगा या कुछ हवा का होगा, एसी का होगा, उस आवाज को सुनते हुए साथ साथ उस आवाज के बीच में जो भी साइलेंस है, उस साइलेंस को फील करना है, महसूस करना है, अनुभव करना है। मेरा आवाज भी आप सुन रहे हैं, तो मेरा आवाज सुनते हुए दो शब्दों के बीच में साइलेंस होता है ना, उसका महसूस करना। इसमें क्या होता है, आपके मन में कुछ सोच नहीं है, क्या करना है, क्या कर रहे हैं, कैसे कर रहे हैं, क्या बोल रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं है। यू आर जस्ट ऑब्जर्विंग। सब कुछ आंखों से देख रहे हैं, कानों से सुन रहे हैं, और दो आवाज के, मेरा शब्दों के, दो शब्दों के बीच में साइलेंस होता है, उसका अनुभव कर। जस्ट फील द साइलेंस। जैसे इस साइलेंस को आप अनुभव करते हैं, you will feel your body is relaxed. There is no awareness of the physical body. शरीर में कोई टेंशन है, you can adjust your hands, legs, but don't feel the body. Just keep your body relaxed. और बिना शरीर, just as you focus on the silence, वो साइलेंस के ऊपर ध्यान रखेंगे ना, आपका शरीर याद नहीं रहेगा, शरीर का अनुभव नहीं रहेगा। उस साइलेंस का अनुभव करना। सो यू आर नॉट थिंकिंग, कोई सोचते नहीं है क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या कैसे कर रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं है। जस्ट बी रिलैक्स्ड। आपकी ध्यान सिर्फ साइलेंस के ऊपर। जो मैं बोल रहा हूं, उस दो शब्दों के बीच में साइलेंस होता है, सिर्फ उसका अनुभव करना। इसमें कई सारा स्टेजेस आ जाता है। एक है डिटैच्ड ऑब्जर्वर, यू आर नॉट थिंकिंग एनीथिंग, क्या करना है, क्या बोल रहे हैं, क्या मैं कर रहा हूँ, कुछ नहीं है। यू आर नॉट थिंकिंग, यू आर जस्ट ऑब्जर्विंग। साक्षी अवस्था, डिटैच्ड ऑब्जर्वर। कान सुन रहे हैं, आंख देख रहे हैं, आंख बंद नहीं करना है, सभी आंख खोल के बैठे, आंखों के सामने सब कुछ देख रहे हैं, कानों से सब कुछ सुन रहे हैं, लेकिन कैसे? बिना विचार। यू आर नॉट एनालाइजिंग एनीथिंग, कुछ विचार नहीं करते हैं, सिर्फ सुन रहे हैं बस, सोचते नहीं है, सिर्फ देख रहे हैं, कुछ एनालाइज करते नहीं है, क्या देख रहा हूं वो नहीं है। यू आर जस्ट ऑब्जर्विंग, यू आर नॉट थिंकिंग, यू आर नॉट एनालाइजिंग, यू आर नॉट ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड एनीथिंग, यू आर जस्ट लिसनिंग। सिर्फ मेरे आवाज को सुन रहे हैं बस, और दो आवाज के बीच में साइलेंस है, सिर्फ उसके ऊपर ध्यान। आपको कैसे पता है मैं साइलेंस का अनुभव कर रहा हूं नहीं है? सच में आपको साइलेंस का अनुभव हो रहा है, माना आपको शरीर का बान नहीं रहेगा, शरीर का फीलिंग नहीं रहेगा। So detach yourself from your body, in the sense keep your body relaxed. And feel the silence. You're just experiencing the silence, being a detached observer. तो कभी भी साइलेंस का अनुभव करना माना उसका कंडीशंस होता है। ये कंडीशन ये है, आपका शरीर बिल्कुल रिलैक्स्ड, कोई टेंशन नहीं। कीप योर आईज ओपन, आंख खोल के ही रखना है, बंद नहीं करना। तो ये कंडीशन है बॉडी रिलैक्स रखना। रिलैक्स रखना माना बॉडी का फीलिंग्स नहीं है, बॉडी को लेट गो कर दिया। फिर सेकंड कंडीशन है कोई एनालाइजिंग नहीं है, कोई सोचता नहीं है ये करना वो करना, ऐसा करूं वैसा करूं, कुछ नहीं है। आत्मा परमात्मा भी नहीं है, कोई सोच नहीं है। यू आर जस्ट फीलिंग द साइलेंस, just one experience of silence. There is no thinking, there is no analyzing, there is no attention, there is no focus, there is no method. शरीर भी बिल्कुल शांत, मन भी बिल्कुल शांत, और आंखों से जो भी देख रहे हैं, कानों से जो भी सुन रहे हैं, जस्ट सुन रहे हैं बस, सिर्फ देख रहे हैं, कुछ एनालाइजिंग नहीं है, कुछ सोचता नहीं है। So the third condition is being a detached observer, साक्षी अवस्था। कोई रिएक्शन नहीं है, कुछ म्यूजिक गा हो रहा है, चल रहा है, गाना अच्छा है, बुरा है, बोरिंग है, इंटरेस्टिंग है, कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ सुन रहे हैं बस, और जो भी सामने देख रहे हैं बस, कुछ सोचते नहीं है। And the fourth condition is the whole attention is on the silence. This is very important. You can be a detached observer, you can keep your body relaxed, you can keep your mind calm and quiet, when your attention is fully on the silence, उस साइलेंस का अनुभव करना है। आपका ध्यान पूरा साइलेंस में होना चाहिए। You have to feel the silence. You have to experience the silence. Keep your eyes open. So what all we are doing? एक है साक्षी अवस्था, दूसरा है बॉडी इज रिलैक्स्ड, तीसरा है कोई चिंता नहीं, मन में विचार नहीं, क्या कर रहा हूं, कैसे कर रहा हूं, आत्मा परमात्मा कुछ सोच नहीं, बिल्कुल शांत। सिर्फ मेरा सारा ध्यान, सारा अटेंशन उस साइलेंस के ऊपर। When my attention is totally on the silence, then the body remains relaxed, I remain a detached observer, and my senses along with the mind remain quiet, remain calm. जैसे परमात्मा सागर है, शांति का सागर, हर जगह पे परमात्मा का उस शांति का किरण है। जैसे हम डिटैच हो गया शरीर से, मन से, विचारों से, 5 इंद्रियों से, हम उस सागर में समा जाते हैं। उसमें कोई विचार नहीं। जैसे आज का मुरली वरदान में बाबा बताया, पहला स्टेप है आत्मा अभिमानी, आत्मिक स्थिति में रहना है। आत्मिक स्थिति माना बिल्कुल शांत। तो हम उस शांति के सागर के साथ मिल जाते हैं, शक्ति मिलता है। सारा मन शरीर रिज्यूनेट हो जाता है। सब कुछ देखते हुए, सुनते हुए, आपकी ध्यान सिर्फ उस शांति के ऊपर होना चाहिए। जितना उस शांति का अनुभव करते हो आप, आपकी ध्यान, अटेंशन पूरा उस शांति पे है। सो ऑब्जर्व, आपके अंदर जो हो रहा है उसमें ध्यान देना, क्या क्या हो रहा है। अंडरस्टैंड दिस फीलिंग। अभी जो आपके अंदर अनुभव होते हैं, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, अभी समझो उसको, क्या क्या हो रहा है। योर बॉडी इज डिटैच्ड, यू आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ योर बॉडी। आपका शरीर का कुछ भी भान नहीं है, फीलिंग नहीं है, एज इफ देयर इज नो बॉडी, द बॉडीलेस स्टेट, अव्यक्त स्थिति। एक बॉडी नहीं है, यू आर इन बॉडीलेस स्टेट। दूसरा, आपकी मन विचार चुप है। जैसे आपके ध्यान इस शांति के ऊपर रहते हैं, आपकी मन आत्मा एक ही समय एक ही चीज को याद कर सकते हैं, ध्यान कर सकते हैं। तो जैसे आप उस शांति का अनुभव में रहते हैं, तब आपकी मन भी शांत रहते हैं, चुप रहते हैं, क्योंकि आपकी ध्यान पूरा उस शांति पे है। कोई विचार नहीं करते हैं। और तीसरा, आपकी आंख खुला है, आंख बंद नहीं है, आपकी कान बंद नहीं है, फिर भी आप सुनते हुए नहीं सुन रहे हैं, देखते हुए नहीं देख रहे हैं। इसको कहते हैं साक्षी अवस्था, डिटैच्ड ऑब्जर्वर। सो आइडेंटिफाई, अंडरस्टैंड, आप समझो ये साक्षी अवस्था क्या होता है। आप देख रहे हैं लेकिन सोचते नहीं है, आप सुन रहे हैं लेकिन आपकी ध्यान उस पे नहीं है, लेकिन आपकी ध्यान पूरा उस शांति के ऊपर, मेरे दो शब्दों के बीच में जो साइलेंस होता है उसका अनुभव कर रहे हैं आप। जैसे हम रात को सोते हैं, सुबह उठते समय ज्यादा एनर्जी महसूस होता है ना, वो इसके कारण होता है। लेकिन नींद और जो हम अभी प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, उस दोनों का फर्क क्या है? जो नींद होता है वो अनकॉन्शियस, वी आर नॉट अवेयर। लेकिन अभी जो आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, नाउ यू आर अवेयर, नाउ यू आर कॉन्शियस ऑफ व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, you are conscious of being a detached observer, you are conscious of being silent, you are conscious of being detached from your body. But in sleep you are not conscious. So sleep is also a meditation, but there is no consciousness. But meditation is also a sleep, but there is consciousness. जब भी आप थक जाते हैं, either mentally or physically, when you practice this in 1 minute, within 2-3 minutes, you will be totally charged. Because you delve into, or you dive into the ocean of peace. And instantly you become charged with this practice. नींद में क्या होता है, कई सारे ड्रीम्स आते हैं, डिस्टर्बेंस होता है, इतना शांत होने में डेल्टा स्टेज बहुत देरी हो जाता है. इफ यू स्लीप फॉर 6 hours, you experience for 20 minutes this depth of silence, because there are a lot of distractions due to dreams, due to the thoughts you had created throughout the day. But in meditation, this practice of silence, instantly you become charged. So once again, remember, observe that your body is completely relaxed. Your five senses are detached, in the sense you are just observing your five senses. You are seeing through your eyes, but you are not thinking. You are hearing through your ears, but you are not analyzing or focusing on what you hear. So that is detached observer. Your mind is calm and quiet. Your body is relaxed, but your attention is on the silence. Your whole attention, the awareness is on the silence. You are one with the ocean of silence. There is no awareness of me or mine. There is no I. There is no ego. You have died alive. You Get detached from the whole world in this silence. Let your attention be on the silence. Feel the silence. Experience the silence. Get into the depth of silence. Keeping your eyes open, ears open. So observe once again, what are the conditions? One is your body is totally detached. You experience the bodiless stage. अव्यक्त स्थिति को आप अनुभव कर रहे हैं. शरीर का कुछ भान नहीं है, फीलिंग नहीं है, और मन बिल्कुल शांत, क्योंकि आपकी ध्यान अटेंशन पूरा साइलेंस के ऊपर होते हैं, और उस साइलेंस का अनुभव में रहने के कारण आपका मन शांत रहते हैं. कोई एनालाइजिंग नहीं है. So being a detached observer, keeping all your five senses in a detached way, although you see, you don't see, although you hear, you don't hear, and your body is relaxed, and your attention is on the silence. So this is the steps. If you follow these steps, instantly you get charged. Instantly you experience the silence. And you detach from the whole world. You get engrossed in the silence. You become one with the ocean of silence. And there is no ego. There is no I or mine. You have died alive to this world. बोलते हैं ना, जीते जी मरना, वो इसको ही कहते हैं. बिल्कुल शांत. But with all your with all alertness, attention, awareness, everything is there. So few seconds, few minutes, let us just feel this silence. Become the ocean of silence. Feel your silence spread everywhere. It is spreading everywhere. It is all over, all around you, and all around the universe. You have become one with the ocean of silence. Just become the silence. You are the silence. You are the silence. Just become the silence. Keep your eyes open. Just feel the silence. Let your attention be on the silence. Your ears are open, eyes are open, but you're not thinking about anything. You're not analyzing, you're just observing. And you are detached from the physical body. And your attention is on the silence. You are feeling the silence. You experience the silence. You are one with the silence. You are one with the ocean of silence. And you become the ocean of silence. The silence is spreading everywhere, all over the universe, from you. So I would request the participants, the brothers and sisters, to share your experience. What did you feel? How did you, whether you understood what I said?
Seema, you have to unmute.
Sorry. When it got muted?
Just now watch.
Okay, just now. Okay. So can you share your experience? How did you feel? Did you understand? Is there anything you feel that you experienced something today?
Om Shanti, brother.
Om Shanti.
First time in my life, trust me. I am with the Raj Yoga more than 10, 11, 12 years. But today I felt something, I don't know what to say. इतना अच्छा लगा और कुछ भी नहीं, कभी 30 मिनट्स पास हो गया मुझे मालूम नहीं पड़ा. एकदम जैसे बोलते हैं डेड साइलेंस, जैसे आपने बताया हम करते गए और एकदम दिन दुनिया की कोई खबर नहीं, कोई थॉट नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं. बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, but I can't express you. When the alarm came 7:30, then I realized, oh, it's half an hour got over. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. It's a very nice.
And what is the brother name who shared the experience? I could not see.
My name is Dharminder Kumar Jain.
Okay. Thank you, brother. Okay. So anyone else can
keep
share?
your audio as a video on, it will be nice.
So any other experience?
Om Shanti, brother. I'm Banerjee Bhai. And the experience for the last 30 minutes was feeling completely light, like a feather. So absolutely, totally detached. I mean, it was a wonderful feeling. The mind was completely floating free. Absolutely, the body was absolutely bodiless. No, there was no weight, and there were no thoughts. It is an amazing experience for 30 minutes. Thank you.
Thank you, brother. So basically what I want to say is, by the right method, Baba bolte hai na, riddhi se siddhi bolte hai na. So the right method, if you practice, you will have the experience. Okay. And there are more different types of experience I will share with you. So I think the sister has come.
Few minutes, sister is there. We'll ask her to introduce you. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti, sister.
So I welcome Ashish Bhai to the Muscat family. Yes, sorry I'm joining little late because there was some course and this was not supposed to be stopped in between. One of the official from Malaysia, she was joining, so that's the reason I was not able to just postpone that. So that's the reason I'm just joining now. I am just listening to all the experiences sharing by the brothers. So that gives me an idea that everyone enjoyed the meditation session. Yes, the recording is going on, so I will just listen to it later on, what the techniques you shared. So I just briefly say that Ashish Bhai, yeah, his name is Azim, but we used to call as Ashish Bhai, so in that way we know from Dubai. So he took the knowledge in Dubai, and there we were seeing him. So like that curiosity was there inside him, that how this knowledge can be given to others, bring the benefits of it in a practical way to others, because it needs some techniques also, as now people are intellectual, so the knowledge has to be given in that way. So that interest was there in him. So with that, he just, I think, gave up his job also, went in the studies of depth of the knowledge, and experimented. So that's how he became a psychiatrist also, because all that is a psychiatrist. It means he's all about mind management or mind theories and all that. So again, when it comes to the Raj Yoga, where we are all working at the mind itself, means the soul. So he did so much of research in that, and he's just giving all that wisdom of his research today. So I just welcome, and then yeah, we just want to listen something more of your understandings, so that it helps us to experience during our meditation. Yes, Ashish Bhai.
And for your information, I learned all these techniques through Sister Gayatri, because she is also the teacher for us.
No, that's all your research, I can say. Yeah, I know that at that time you also, I think, knew for knowledge, and I was also came there for the service initially in Dubai. Yeah, it was good sharing discussions and all that. Good. I was just thinking about those days. Okay, yes, you can carry on. Uh,
Thank
so,
you, sister. Thank you for nice words.
thank you. Good to see you like this after a long time. Yeah, we met in Madhuban, but again, so I was just thinking about that also. Like, yeah, he is active in even education wing, so that diploma courses also. So one of the course diploma in hypnosis, and that's name I think have changed now.
Counseling and spiritual health.
Yeah. So when I applied for it afterwards, I didn't study much. It was just at the last minute, and he was giving me some CDs to listen to those session and all that. So he's helping out in making those modules and all that. So yes, he's giving his visitors in this way. Good. Yeah. Thank you, Ashish Bhai, for joining us today. Yes, we want
Thank
to
you.
listen something more from you.
Okay. So see what we were practicing now, it is, see, there are different experiences you have in meditation. So this is one of the experience. What we practice now is will help you to recharge yourself in 1 second. Whenever you are tired, either physically or mentally, you can practice these steps and immediately you can get charged. I remember that whenever I get tired of some activities or doing some more things, I just go into this state of experience, and within 2-3 minutes, as if I have not done anything, I become so charged and I am ready to do something new with all the energy and enthusiasm. So this you can practice it anytime in your office, anywhere. If you feel that you have done, you're too much worked out and you need some energy, it is an instant charger for you. So this is one method. But most of the time, see, today what we practice is sitting in one place, detaching from the body, not doing anything, not doing any thinking. So this is one way of practicing meditation. Even here we are connecting with the God. See, one thing here you have to understand, there are two states of soul consciousness or God consciousness. For example, to make it easy, I'll tell you, if you see the sun, there are two ways of looking at the sun. One is you look at the sun, there is a sun which is shining in the sky, the round ball of light. So one is looking at the sun directly in the sky. Another is you are just experiencing the sunlight. So the sun is located at one point, and when you look at the sun directly, you cannot look at the sun directly. After a few minutes or few seconds, maybe only in the evening you can look at it, but other times you cannot look at the sun. But you can always be in the sunlight. You can walk, you can play, you can do anything in the sunlight. The same thing applies to the soul and the supreme soul. One is to become that point. Another is to experience the rays, sunlight, the rays of the soul, the qualities, the feeling, the experience of the soul. One is to become the soul point. Another is to experience the qualities of the soul. So now tell me, when we experience the silence, what we were doing? Are we experiencing the point or are we experiencing the qualities of the soul?
We were experiencing quality of the soul.
Yes, the quality of soul. One of the qualities, the silence. That's what we were experiencing. And in that silence, there is a natural remembrance of God, because God is also ocean of silence. And in today's blessing, Varadan, Baba ne bola na, you have to become equal to connect. When two things are to be connected, you have to make them equal. You polish, even when you solder, you clean everything and then you connect it. Even when a wire you connect, you remove the insulation, then you connect it. So Baba said in the today's blessing, the first step to become the soul, then you connect with the God. So even in meditation, there are two ways of connecting with God. One is to become the qualities. You also experience the silence and you connect with the ocean of silence. That is one way of connecting with the God or doing meditation. So what is the other way of doing it? It is to become the point. It is to bring back or get back to your original state, the point, the sun. You have to become the sun itself. See, many times when we do action, perform action, in fact, it is the soul performs all the action. We don't have to make effort because it is the soul which performs everything through the physical organs. But what matters is the awareness, the attention. See, in that practice, I said the difference between the silence and sleep, the difference between meditation and sleep. In meditation, you are aware, and in sleep, you are not aware. And in sleep, you need to sleep for 6 hours to get that energy. And there is a science of sleep, the management of sleep, where we teach every 2 hours, the delta stage, the deep silence you experience hardly for 10-15 minutes. So before that, you pass through the stages of alpha, beta, alpha, theta, then comes the delta stage. So in sleep, after sleeping for 6 hours, you experience this depth of silence hardly for 30 minutes. But in meditation, with consciousness, with attention, with awareness, by knowing the method, you experience that depth of that energy, what you experience in the sleep. After sleeping for 6 hours, you experience it here within few minutes. The same thing applies in our actions. When you perform action with awareness, when you perform action with attention, then it is meditation. It is called karma yoga. When there is no attention, when there is no self-awareness while you perform action, then it is not meditation, it is not soul consciousness. So if you want to be a karma yogi, if you want to practice meditation 24 hours, the one thing you should always remember is attention. Attention is self-awareness. The lust, the anger, the greed, the attachment, the ego, all things appear to a human being because we are not self-aware. We are not attentive in what we are doing. See, self-awareness is nothing what you feel that only the great yogis can experience self-awareness, only great yogis can have self-realization. It's not like that. Self-realization, self-awareness is nothing but awareness, attention. When I am talking to you, I am aware of the words what I speak so that I never make mistake. When I perform action, when there is awareness, I do the action in a right way. I never make mistake. When you are talking with someone, when you are self-aware, you never become angry because you never lose self-awareness. And whenever there is no self-control, no self-awareness, then the person experiences anger. Then the person experiences sorrow. Then the person experiences pain. Then the person experiences difficulties in life. So when we were practicing silence, we were attentive. The attention was on the silence. We were aware. Self-awareness was there. I am experiencing the silence. I am feeling the silence. And there was full attention, natural attention. It was not difficult. You are not struggling because you were one with the silence. So you have to understand by practice how this you will bring in action. Like when you are talking, when you do it with attention, when you are listening to me, when you are attentive, you are aware what I am speaking. So that is soul consciousness. If you lose my attention, your attention, you will go into sleep. Then that is body consciousness. So, but for this, you should understand the technique. It is very simple when you understand. And it is very, very difficult if you don't understand. You will spend the whole life and you will not experience anything if you don't understand. If you understand, and every moment will be joyful. You can overcome all your sorrows, all your difficulties, all your pain, all your sufferings, if you just give some time to understand what you are doing. If you give some time to understand what is meditation, what is soul consciousness, what is God consciousness. So because short of time, I will make it short, but try to understand. Unless you practice it, you will not understand. So one is to detach from your body and experience the silence, and you are self-aware when you are practicing it. That is also a meditation. That is also a Jwalamukhi. Jwalamukhi, don't get afraid with the name Jwalamukhi. Jwalamukhi is nothing but naturally you are not distracted by anything else. Not distracted by your physical body, not distracted by your physical senses, not distracted by your mind, not distracted by your intellect, and not distracted by your ego. So if you are not distracted by these 5 things, it is Jwalamukhi. There is concentration, there is attention. And whatever you do with that attention, you will excel. So even while performing action, give attention to these things. When you are reading something, when you are talking, when you are walking, are you self-aware? Or see, there are 2 things happens. Either you remain self-aware and do everything, or you get lost in your thoughts, in your feelings, in your emotions, in your thinking, in your physical sensations, and in the situations around you, the attractions. Either you remain self-aware or you get lost in all these things. And when you are not self-aware, all problems happen, all difficulties, all suffering. So now we will do another practice, how to perform action with self-awareness. I'll give you a simple technique. Make a point or just look at a point anywhere in front of you. Any point. If there is no point, you can even not now, even later you can do this. You can with your pen just make a point on the wall. Like in Madhuban, wherever Shiv Baba's photo is there is a light at the center of that Shiv Baba. Even in center, you would have noticed that Shiv Baba round Shiv red color, at the center there is a point. So now let us look at a point in front of you. Now also you are not practicing anything, just keep your body relaxed and just look at a point. And why point? There is a secret on this. Why we need to look at a point, not a big Brahma Baba image, not big Shiv Baba image, not that beautiful lights. Why the point? It's very important to understand this. Why you need to look at a point? The reason is, whatever you look, you will become that. If you look at a point, you will become a point. So now look at a point and just keep looking at it for few seconds, few minutes. And even here, you are just looking at a point. You see how the point is. It is a dot, and it is just a dot, and there is nothing more to think. And you are just looking at a dot. And as you look at a dot, sometimes your awareness, attention may divert, but you have to bring back your attention to that point, to that dot. And as you practice this, bringing your attention back to the point, what happens? You detach from the body. And then what happens? You detach from your mind because you will not think anything else. You detach from your intellect because you will not analyze anything. You detach from what all things present in front of your eyes. You detach from your sounds, whatever you hear. The same thing what we practiced earlier, you will also practice experience here when you look at a point. So just look at a point and you naturally become detached from everything. You detach from your body, your senses, the things around you, external situations, the thoughts, the intellect, and you just become a point by looking at a point. And as you continue looking at the point, you will observe, you will understand that you are just observing a point and you are not thinking anything else. And as you continue looking at the point, observing this point, you will find that as if you are looking at the point being behind your eyes, as if you are looking through the windows of these eyes, because your attention is at the center of your forehead and you are attentive at the point, and you know you are looking through the windows of these eyes. And as you look at the point, you will feel yourself as a point at the center of your forehead. You will feel that you are a point of consciousness located at the center of your forehead, seated behind your eyes, and you are looking through your eyes, the point which is there outside. So as you look at this point, feel yourself as a point of consciousness at the backside of your eyes, looking through the windows of the eyes. Become a point. It is this point which is located behind your eyes, sees through the eyes, hears through your ears, feels through your skin, thinks through your mind, analyze through your intellect. So now become that point which does all these actions. As you look at the point with your eyes open, you will feel the attention. The attention is at the center of your forehead. It is the soul that is located behind your eyes. At the center of your eyes is looking through the windows of the eyes to that point. You will feel yourself as a point. You will feel the soul. You will feel that attention. You will feel that consciousness at the center of your forehead. The real soul as it is, you will feel, you will experience behind your eyes. Keep looking at the point and feel yourself as a point. Experience yourself as a point at the back of your eyes. You are seeing through the eyes, hearing through the ears, feeling through the skin, but all these things happening at the center of your forehead. And you become the detached observer. You are an observer behind your eyes. You are just observing. You are just observing the point being behind your eyes. You are that shining, sparkling star at the center of your forehead, looking through these eyes. You feel yourself a point of light. And the point is so light, you feel that lightness at the center of your eyes. You're looking through the eyes with a lot of lightness, lot of easiness, because you are just a point of light. So you feel that lightness. दो आंखों द्वारा आप देख रहे हैं आत्मा एक बिंदी, बहुत हल्का सा बिंदी, उस हल्कापन आप अनुभव हो रहे हैं आपको, क्योंकि एक सिर्फ बिंदी है, उस बिंदी को देखते देखते आप भी बिंदी बन गए, क्योंकि जो चीज आप देख रहे हैं ना वैसा बन जाएंगे. तो कीप योर आईज ओपन एंड लुक एट दैट पॉइंट. वो बिंदी को देखते देखते आप बिंदी बन गया. आपको लग रहा है इस दो आंखों, दो खिड़की के द्वारा, खिड़की के पीछे बैठ के आप देख रहे हैं उस बिंदी को, और ये बिंदी बहुत हल्का सा बिंदी है. सो यू फील दैट लाइटनेस. बिंदी कितना हल्का है, उस हल्कापन को महसूस करो आप. दो आंखों के पीछे कितना हल्का हो रहे हैं. मैं सिर्फ एक बिंदी, हल्का सा बिंदी, मेरी दो आंखों के पीछे बैठ के आंखों द्वारा उस बाहर की बिंदी को देख रहा हूं, और बहुत हल्का, मैं एक बिंदी है, बहुत हल्कापन मेरे अंदर महसूस हो रहे हैं. हल्कापन होने के कारण मुस्कुराहट हो रहे हैं. स्माइल योरसेल्फ विद इन यू. अंदर ही अंदर मुस्कुराइए सभी, बिकॉज यू फील द लाइटनेस. सभी मुस्कुराइए अंदर ही अंदर, बिकॉज यू आर जस्ट अ पॉइंट ऑफ लाइट. यू फील दैट लाइटनेस बिहाइंड योर आईज. So as you look at the point, you become that point. Feel that lightness, sweetness. सभी मुस्कुराइए, हल्कापन महसूस करो अंदर ही अंदर, क्योंकि बहुत हल्का हो गया. बिंदी बहुत, एक सिर्फ छोटा सा बिंदी है ना, बहुत हल्का है वो. So feel that lightness, detached from this physical body, detached from all types of responsibilities, detached from all types of thinking. You are just feeling that lightness, easiness, sweetness, that joy within you, because you are just a point. So smile, smile, feel the happiness within you, feel the joy. You are just looking at the point and feeling yourself as a point, and that point is free from all responsibilities. वो बिंदी को कोई responsibility नहीं है, वो सिर्फ बिंदी है, और उस शरीर से डिटैच होने के कारण वो बहुत हल्कापन महसूस हो रहा है. You are looking through this point of star, this point of consciousness, this point of attention is at the center of your forehead, with so much lightness, so much easiness, so much joy. So now you are looking through the eyes, and you know that I am a point located behind my eyes and looking through the eyes. As you look at the point, you know you are a point at the center of your forehead, and that attention is at the center of your forehead, and you are that attention. आप है ध्यान. जहां ध्यान है, जिसको ध्यान का अनुभव होता है, वही है आप, वही है सेल्फ. जब हर सोच, हर कर्म आप ध्यान से करते हैं, उसको कहते हैं सोल कॉन्शियस. ध्यान से माना शरीर से अलग, मन से अलग, विचारों से अलग, बुद्धियों से अलग, सिर्फ मैं जो हूं, जैसा हूं, ध्यान से कर रहा हूं. This is self-awareness. Now, as you look at the screen, now look at me with your third eye. You are not looking at me through your eyes. You are looking at me through your third eye. Still, you are just a point located behind your eyes, and you are using your eyes as a window to look at me. You are hearing through the ears, being at the center of your forehead. How many of you feel that you are looking at me through your center of your forehead? Through your third eye, you are looking at me. Using these two windows of the eyes, you are looking at me. How many of you feel this? Just show your hands in the chat. Okay, you can raise your hands and show me. How many of you feel that you are looking through the eyes, through the third eye? Can you feel the third eye at the center of your forehead? The point of attention? Feel the lightness. This point is so light. You are just a point. Feel that lightness behind your eyes. So when you are listening to me, you are listening through this point. When you are looking at me, you are looking from this point. From behind your eyes, you are looking at me. And with this point, you can do all the action. You can walk, you can talk, you can do job, you can do everything with this awareness, with this attention. And this attention is nothing but the awareness, the soul consciousness. And when you do this, try to understand, try to feel, is there any other distraction? When you are listening to me, is there any distraction? Is there any diversion? Because when you look through here, there is 100% attention. There is total concentration. You cannot become angry. You cannot lose self-awareness. You cannot lose self-control when you do everything from here. And it is very easy. Just detach from your all other thoughts, all other diversions. Become peaceful and do it. So if you want to experience yourself as a point, you don't even have to look at the point. You just become quiet. Just detach from your body. Keep your body relaxed and feel the silence. And when you feel the silence, and if you want to observe, perform action, come here. Do everything from here. Listen through ears from here. See through the eyes being here. So any question you can ask me. I want you to understand this. I want to know how many of you feel that you can see through being behind your eyes. With this attention, how many of you feel that I can look at the screen being a point of consciousness being behind your eyes? Is it difficult or easy? Give me answer, easy or difficult?
Easy.
It's very easy.
Anyone feel it difficult?
No, it is easy.
So if you want to experience this, this is the method. Detach from your body, detach from your thinking mind, thinking thoughts. Just feel the silence, what we experienced half an hour before. And in that silence, bring your attention to the center of your forehead. And initially, you may practice this by making a point on the wall. So when you look at a point, like for next few days, you can practice this. Just put a point on the wall and look at it. And the very moment your mind will become quiet. The very next moment you will become still. You will become silent. You will become detached from your physical body. And you can do all your action with this awareness, with this attention. So whether you want to experience silence, the rays of sunlight, or whether you want to become the sun itself, in both the condition, both the experience, the condition is detached from your physical body, in the sense keep your body relaxed, Detach from your thoughts. विचारों से आप ऑटोमेटिक डिटैच हो जाएंगे. जैसे आपकी ध्यान साइलेंस के ऊपर आ गया, जैसे आपकी ध्यान दो आंखों के पीछे साइलेंस के ऊपर, अटेंशन के ऊपर आ गया. अटेंशन, उस अटेंशन के ऊपर आ जाता है ना, ऑटोमेटिकली साइलेंस हो जाता है मन. कोई गुस्सा नहीं आएंगे आपको, कोई चिंता, वरी, एंजाइटी नहीं रहेगा. Everything will disappear. Because when there is no attention, you keep worrying. When there is no attention, you have the suffering. When there is no attention, problem happens in your work. When there is no attention, you forget things. And all the vices, lust, anger, greed, attachment, ego, everything happens because there is no attention. So soul consciousness is nothing but attention. Attention is self-awareness. So first thing what we practiced is we felt the rays of the soul. That is the silence. And second thing is, along with the silence, we started experiencing that sweetness, that lightness, the joy. Because of being a point of light, I feel that lightness. Because I am a point, I don't have any responsibilities. I become a point, a light. I feel that smile, joy within me. And when I detach from the body, when I detach from your thinking mind, thoughts, all my attention, all my thinking is focused on my self-awareness. So there is concentration, there is attention. Now let us practice one more exercise. See, these two are my fingers, and my eyes are looking straight. And I move my fingers, but my eyes are straight, but my attention is on the tip of the finger. Just do it. All of you can practice this. You have to look straight, but your attention should be on the fingertip. Keep your eyes straight. Keep your eyes straight, but let the attention be on the tip of the finger. You can bring your finger wide. Just practice this, all of you. All of you practice this. Keep your eyes straight, but let the attention be on the fingertip. Let the eyes look straight, but the attention on the fingertip. Move away, 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 away. Keep your fingers away, 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 far away, far away. Move, 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 move. Keep moving your fingers. But keep your eyes looking straight, but let the attention be on the tip of the finger. Away, away, full away. Just stretch your hands. Now tell me, who is looking at the finger? Your eyes are looking straight, but the attention is on the finger. So who is looking at the finger? Tell me. Tell me, who is that looking at the finger? Your eyes or the soul?
Soul.
Yeah. The soul means attention. Your attention is at the tip of the finger. The soul is looking at the finger. Your eyes are not looking. So it is with this attention, now you find the difference. Wherever there is attention, your energy flows and you observe, you understand. So this attention is soul. So now we come to the third practice. So you understand the attention is you, the attention is soul, and this attention happens from behind your eyes. That is you, the point of consciousness. And when you are looking at me, look at me through the third eye, not this physical eye. Are you looking at me through the third eye? Is it? Don't look at me through the eyes. Look at me from here. Are you doing that?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now With this attention, go to Paramdam. See Shiv Baba in Paramdam. From this attention, from this third eye, see the Shiv Baba in Paramdam. And whoever you look at, you become like that. And when you are looking at in Paramdam, looking at Shiv Baba as a point of star, and you become the point of star, and he is ocean of love, ocean of peace, and you become the ocean of love, ocean of peace. Feel that lightness. Shiv Baba is a point of star, and he is so light. He doesn't have any heaviness, and you also become so light. You also feel that lightness. And Shiv Baba is so smiling because he is so light, and we also become so smiling. Baba says sweet silence. So we also become very sweet in nature. Smile, smile, become so sweet. Because you are just a point like Shiv Baba in Paramdam. Feel that lightness, feel that sweetness, feel that love, feel that unconditional, unlimited love. Feel that energy, feel that power. Along with the silence, you feel that lightness, sweetness in Paramdam. The whole attention, your third eye is looking at in Paramdam. Through your third eye, you are looking at Shiv Baba. Through your third eye, you feel the lightness. And all this lightness, sweetness, experiencing in your third eye. And your body is totally detached. You are completely detached from your physical body. You are in a bodiless state of awareness. You are just a point of light. And this point of light, looking at the supreme point of light, and this point, that point, both are so light. And your rays are spreading all over the universe. The rays of peace, the rays of love, the rays of happiness, the rays of joy. Like Shiv Baba, you also become an ocean of love, ocean of peace, ocean of happiness, with complete attention, with complete awareness, with complete lightness, with complete joy. Feel the joy within you. Smile, smile. Feel the lightness, how light you have become, how happy you are, free from all types of responsibilities. You are just a point of star. The moment you become a point, you become unlimited. The moment you detach from your mind, your physical senses, you become unlimited in awareness like Shiv Baba. You become unlimited like God. You become independent from your senses, your mind, your thoughts, your intellect, your situations, your family, your physical body, your ego. You detach from everything. You become so light, and all your attention is only on the supreme point of light in Paramdam. And you become so light, so easy, so sweet in nature, with lot of smile, with lot of happiness, with lot of lightness. You are a point and Shiv Baba is a point, and there is nothing else. You become so light and you become unlimited. The moment you become a point, you become unlimited. Freedom from your physical body. So become yourself, feel your unlimited awareness. Feel yourself as an ocean of peace, ocean of love, ocean of happiness, ocean of joy, spreading everywhere, all over the universe. Become like Shiv Baba, become like the supreme sun. The sun rays are spreading everywhere, all over the universe. God's rays are spreading everywhere, and even my rays are spreading everywhere because I am detached from the physical body. So feel this lightness, sweetness, joy within you. being in Paramdam as a point of start, as a point of consciousness, as a point of light. Feel yourself unlimited. The moment you become a point, you become unlimited in awareness. You become the ocean of peace, ocean of happiness, ocean of joy. इसको ही कहते हैं सच्चिदानंद. यही सत्य है. यही शांति, प्रेम, आनंद, खुशी जो आपके अंदर अनुभव हो रहे हैं, यही सत्य है, यही परमानेंट है और यही चित्त है. यू आर अवेयर. ये नींद नहीं है, आप सोए नहीं है. यू आर नॉट इन स्लीप, यू आर अवेयर. यू आर totally aware of the silence. You are totally aware of the peace. You are totally aware of that lightness. You are totally aware of the sweetness. So there is consciousness, Sat Chit or Anand. You feel light, you feel sweet, you feel the bliss. Sabhi muskuraye because you are light. Baba says sweet silence. Baba never says boring silence. Because a point, you are a point, you feel that lightness, free from all types of responsibilities. So because you are free from all responsibilities, you feel that happiness, you feel that lightness. And because of that lightness, you feel that joy within you. Along with the joy, there is silence. So you become the ocean of peace, ocean of lightness, ocean of bliss, Sachit Anand. आत्मा भी सच्चिदानंद स्वरूप है, परमात्मा भी सच्चिदानंद स्वरूप है. And it's all happening at the center of your forehead. Detached observer, Sakshi Avastha, bodiless stage. You are completely detached from the body. So all these are all Jwalamukhi Avastha. Jwalamukhi in the sense, complete attention. You don't have any other distraction. You are detached from the body, no distraction from the body. You are no distraction from the thinking mind, thoughts, no distraction from the analyzing intellect, no distraction from the situations around you, no distraction from your job, from your responsibilities. You are completely detached. And so you are Sachidanand. And whenever you feel this Sachidanand Swarup, naturally you are connected with God. You don't have to make effort. You don't have to go to Paramdam. The moment you detach from the body, you are connected with God. The moment you experience silence, you connected with the ocean of silence. The moment you feel easiness, lightness, joy, you're connected with the ocean of peace, ocean of love, ocean of joy. You can experience Paramdam anytime, anywhere, while doing the action, while not doing the action. When you don't do anything, sit in silence, you are in Paramdam naturally. You are naturally connected with God. When you smile with detached awareness, you are naturally connected with the ocean of bliss. You are always in Paramdam. When you are detached, when you experience, when you perform all your activities in your detached awareness with so much lightness, awareness, you can experience this state of awareness by doing everything. When I'm talking to you, I'm talking from here. When you are listening to me, you are listening from here. And you are in that Sachidanand Swarup even by listening to me. So this is Karma Yoga. Even if you don't do anything, you are a yogi. Even if you do anything, you are a yogi. So Jwalamukhi Sthiti is to detach and become self-aware and do all your action. Okay. So now tell me any questions you have. How many of you are able to experience this lightness, sweetness of God, love, joy, happiness? How many of you are able to do this?
Yes, brother.
Okay. So from the beginning, we have seen to be a yogi, these are the steps you need to follow. The awareness should be detached from the physical consciousness, detached from the waste thoughts, detached from the waste analyzing my intellect, detached from the unnecessary worries or anxieties, but attached to the peace, the love, the happiness, the joy, the silence. So when you are experiencing all the positive qualities, naturally you stabilize here. Naturally you become soul conscious. Naturally you be a detached observer. Hope you understand this process, step by step process. And it becomes natural for you the more you practice this. Okay. So any questions you have, you may ask now. Or you can share your experience. Yeah. Questions also you can ask.
ओम शांति ब्रदर, मेरा कुछ सवाल ये है कि फिर हमारा जो पुराने विक्रम है वो विनाश कब हुए फिर?
ओके देखो, अभी जब अनुभव किया आपने, अभी हल्कापन अनुभव किया,
हाँ वो किया,
प्यार अनुभव किया,
सब हाँ किया।
ठीक है। लेकिन जब आप ये सब अनुभव नहीं करेंगे तो क्या अनुभव होता है? See, if someone who is not experiencing this peace, love, happiness, what the person will experience?
Unwanted thing then.
So that unwanted thing is your karma. That unwanted thing is your bondages. तो जैसे आप शांति, प्रेम, आनंद, खुशी का अनुभव आपके अंदर होंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली विनाश हो गया ना सब, बाकी सब।
करेक्ट।
तो हर कर्म करते समय शांति, प्रेम, आनंद से आप करते चलो, आपका विक्रम कुछ नहीं रहेंगे।
ओके, थैंक यू ब्रदर, थैंक यू ब्रदर, थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, welcome. So you can share your experience. How did you feel in these 1 hour? Can you practice this tomorrow while performing all actions? Will you be able to practice this? आप फोन में बात करते समय आपका अनुभव होगा, मैं यहाँ से बात करूंगा, किसी को देख रहे हैं, जैसे मेरे को आप देख रहे हैं, 2 आंखों के पीछे बैठ के देख रहे हैं आप, ऐसा हर कर्म कर सकते हैं। रोड में चलते समय यहाँ से देख सकते हैं, गाड़ी चलाते समय यहाँ से कर सकते हैं।
We will try.
Practice it. We can do it.
कोशिश करेंगे।
ओके वो कभी भूल जाता है ना, याद करो आप। So that why you will forget is either you become body conscious, in the sense you lost in your body awareness, you get lost in thoughts, unnecessary thoughts, waste thoughts, negative thoughts, you get lost in anxiety, क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, you get lost in worries, you get lost in what happened in the past, you get lost in what is going to happen in the future. The moment you become aware, you have hope, you have faith, and there are a lot of things, है ना, जैसे आप इस यहाँ से काम करेंगे ना, आपको कोई बीमारी नहीं आ सकता है। क्योंकि सारा बीमारी के कारण बोलते हैं साइकोसोमैटिक, मन ही कारण है, और जो आपका बीमारी है ना वो ठीक हो जाएंगी और आपका आयु बढ़ जाएंगे, बिकॉज सोल इज द क्रिएटर ऑफ ऑल दीज ऑर्गन्स। लोग क्यों परेशान, बीमार क्यों आता है? हम आत्मा को आप से, इवन द डॉक्टर्स गिव मेडिसिन एंड टेल्स वी गिव मेडिसिन बट योर बॉडी हैज टू हील इटसेल्फ। क्यों हीलिंग नहीं होता है? क्योंकि हम आत्मिक स्थिति में नहीं रहते हैं। जैसे सो गए आप, सुबह उठेंगे तो कुछ एनर्जी मिल जाता है ना, कहां से एनर्जी आया आपको? बिकॉज यू वेंट इनटू द डेप्थ ऑफ साइलेंस। बट वही चीज आप नॉर्मली करेंगे, सोल कॉन्शियस होकर हर कर्म करेंगे, आपको परमात्मा से एनर्जी मिलते रहेंगे, आपका ऑर्गन्स पूरा अलर्ट रहेंगे, सारा बीमारी खत्म हो जाएंगे। यू विल नॉट हैव एनी डिजीज। जैसे दादी जानकी और दादी प्रकाश मणि, दादी गुलजार, उनका आयु देखा ना, more than 90 years, more than 100 years. Dadi Ratan Mohini bhi hai. All this is because they are conscious, self-aware, whether they talk, whether they speak, whether they walk. And we can do in that state of mind all actions. Then you will have all your diseases will disappear and all your action will be perfect and all your anxieties, worries will disappear and your life will be extended and you will not get affected by any corona. कोरोना आ गया तो भी वो चले जाएंगे, आपको कुछ नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि यू हैव दैट पावर. आत्मा के अंदर उतना पावर है, वही आत्मा आपका सारा शरीर को बनाया, सारा ऑर्गन्स इस आत्मा के शक्ति से ही बनाया. लेकिन हम ये सारा वेस्ट चिंतन, परेशान, जेलसी, एंगर करने से वो ऑर्गन को जो शक्ति मिलना चाहिए आत्मा से वो नहीं मिलता है, उसके कारण लोग बीमार पड़ते हैं. एंड देयर इज साइंटिफिक रीजन फॉर दिस. आपको मैं और एक बार बताएंगे कैसे ये बीमार सब होता है. ठीक है. So anything else you want to ask? Otherwise we may close it now.
I'd like to thank you, Azibhai. Just summarize from your points. Like one is that self-awareness, like all the time how to be self-awareness, being seated in the center of the forehead and do everything. And also we understood clearly that how to perform the, being in the awareness, doing the karma, just you made the point and seeing the point and do the things. I'm sure that, even as if I feel that now also connected to Baba, that like we were interested for Jwalamukhi Yoga, that was the point. But basically, I think these two things, if we do, then automatically, I think we connect to Baba and easily experience that. Yes, that's what my experience. Thank you.
Brother Om Shanti, brother, you are connected to the education wing. What are the courses that anybody can take from your this wing, or if somebody is interested more in this subject?
There is a course called Counseling and Spiritual Health.
Okay.
So those who have completed any degree can join this course. PG Diploma in Counseling and Spiritual Health. And if you are interested, you can do in masters also.
Okay.
So in this course, we teach how diseases happens because of mind, how we can clear our issues from the mind, how we can experience this focused, concentrated state of awareness. So this
how long is
Counseling
this
and
course?
Spiritual Health is
How long is this
it's
course?
a 1 year course. It's a 1 year course, but the classes will be there for hardly 5 days, and nowadays they also conduct it online.
But do you have any short course, if anybody is in Baba's service and anybody want to do some service through such kind of techniques using what you experienced, we experience now.
See, what I suggest, if you do this course, you will also learn all these techniques and you will also get a proper Annamalai University certificate, and you will be eligible to do counseling in schools, colleges, hospitals, because you will be professionally qualified to do counseling, and it will be very helpful for you. And you don't spend any, although we say 1 year, see now it is already July, and the enrollment may start in the August.
Okay.
Okay. And your exam will be in the month of May. So it's only 6 months. And the classes hardly you have to attend for 4 or 5 classes.
Okay.
And you will learn everything in a scientific way so that you can explain why disease appear, why meditation is important, how you can get rid of all the diseases by meditation. It will be very useful for you.
Okay, thank you, brother. Please, if you can send to our sister, I'm sure sister knows about these, but if you can send some more details.
She has done that course. She has done that counseling course.
I know, but if I was just talking about if there's any short course, if you can design or something for like train the trainer program or something for 3 months or something like this. If there is anything like this possible.
Anyhow, I am available if you can, if you all find time, I can give you some techniques.
Okay. Thank you, brother. So we can be in touch with you through our sister. Yeah. Very nice experience today. I think the first thing what I experience is a bodiless stage. The full body is in one place without any movement. There was hardly any finger movement or any other movement. Just the body was really still. It was like in hard, it's like I felt as if there's no body, as you rightly was saying.
Yeah.
I think it's a matter of practice. More and more we practice in this, because today you were giving the commentary and we were focusing on that silence part.
Yeah.
And you keep on talking, but we were not focusing on your talk. We were listening to that silence. But if I'm sitting alone and I'm focusing on the silence, my mind will divert.
That's why I gave you the second practice, to become aware of your own self.
Correct.
That's why I gave you the practice of looking at a point.
Yes.
So that will make you easy to experience this silence.
Correct. No, it is very easy to go into silence. Everybody is practicing daily meditation, Amritwala, I think. But if we can use the starting with this type of technique, you go into silence. And
yes,
then,
that's the starting. Yeah, that's what you use the right word. It's all for the starting. In the beginning, you can use it. Then it becomes easy for you.
Correct. Brother, if I'm sitting for half an hour, if I want to remember Baba and give the vibration to the world, is there any technique that I go into soul consciousness first for so much time, Baba consciousness for so much time, the giving vibration to the outside world so much time? Is it anybody's? It is a practice, or is there any scientific way of understanding this?
See, it is like how much energy you have. That's why Baba says in the Murli, early morning Amrit Vela, you have a lot of energy. So like we practice now, Parandam stage, you can experience only at Amrit Vela. Amrit Vela, you can have 1 hour, you can practice it. Because you have a lot of energy within you. You can concentrate more. So Baba says, according to the situations, like when you are listening to Murli, that is also your meditation.
Yes.
When you are walking, when you are just feeling the silence, love of God, and keep walking, that is also meditation.
Yes.
When you are tired, you sit in one place and just feel the silence, that is also meditation. And when you are so disturbed, you are listening to good music with that is also meditation.
Yes.
So there is various ways, and it is you can do it in an entertaining way. You don't have to take it so seriously.
Okay. Thank you, brother.
Okay, Prakash bhai, sister.
Yes, thank you very much, Ashish bhai, for the simple techniques, because basic foundation is required. So the foundation is strong, means the rest of all the things will go smoothly. So in that way, the beginning of the meditation, how to start with, because we are sitting in meditation after the work or with so many things doing, and suddenly go for meditation. So then the small things helps easily to connect in a short period of time. Yes. So I was just going through with the Avekt Murli of tomorrow, as we read Avekt Murli Friday itself, Sunday is Murli. So the main heading itself is like how can we come out of our tiredness with a powerful meditation. So that's the theme of essence of Avekt Murli, what will be tomorrow. So that you made us to experience before itself, so that we can understand Baba's Murli tomorrow more easily. Yeah, thank you very much for joining us in this evening and helping us out to make our meditation powerful. Yeah.
Thank you, sister. Thank you
And we
so much
just
for
sit in
giving this.
remembrance
Yes.
for a while, and then we finish the session.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
It's good to get into all so that we can just get the wisdom of what your made efforts of so much efforts, I can say. So in short, we got it. So that's what it is. So we are more benefited in that way.
That's true. It's more than 40 years of experience which made me understand this.
Hello,
Yeah,
brother Om
that's
Shanti.
true. That's true. Yeah.
Can I ask one question?
Yeah. Only back.
अच्छा, brother, like हमारा पंचेंद्रियों से हम काम कर रहे हैं, जैसे आंखों से जो देखना आपने प्रैक्टिस किया, कानों से किया, और नाक से, मुंह से, और स्किन से, द फिफ्थ वन, उसको कैसे एक्सपीरियंस करना है? जैसे हम बाहर निकलते हैं, इतना गर्मी है, और उसको कंट्रोल करने का ऐसा कुछ टेक्निक है, जैसे is there any something techniques like that? We don't feel that much heat on our skin, our body. Is there some technique for that?
See, the practice what we practiced in the beginning, just to feel the silence. Okay. See, not just the silence, anywhere, wherever your attention is, if you keep thinking about the heat, the feeling what you experience in the skin, then the whole attention is on that, and you will be observed, you will become that. So one thing to keep in mind, if you want to avoid some feelings or avoid something, some bad feelings or emotions, better not try to avoid things. You just focus something else.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You cannot avoid something by focusing on that again and again.
But we can
You
concentrate
keep thinking
something
it's very
else.
hot, it is very hot. Instead, you focus on something else.
Okay.
See, wherever your attention is, that's what you are going to become. So that is the right time to remember God, remember Baba.
Yeah.
See, I'll tell you a small example, if sister permits. In 2 minutes, I'll finish it off.
Yes. We are okay, but for you, it's 10 o'clock. It's okay.
मैं एक कहानी बताऊंगा, real incident. When I was in Dubai, I used to go to that Karama Center, evening hours. तो उस दिन क्या हुआ था, it was very hot, and वो गाड़ी भी नहीं मिला. I was walking है ना वो सेंटर से, it was very hot. तो मैं क्या किया, बाबा को ना गाली देना शुरू कर दिया. I said, Baba, you see, I am doing your job and coming, and it is very hot, and I am not able to go properly. I am not getting vehicle. ऐसे में बात करते जा रहा. In that very moment, in Karama, I was on the highway. One limousine came and stopped next to me. वो इतना बड़ा limousine, you know that Arabs used to use this limousine. और वो driver आगे बैठे हैं, and पीछे where I was standing is the back side of the car. And the driver is from the front side. He was saying, get inside the car, get in. मैं बोला क्या, कौन सा कार, कहाँ ले जा रहे हैं, क्यों बोल रहे हैं मेरे को अंदर जाने के लिए. Then I was, वो है ना एक mic जैसा है. He was speaking on that mic, and I am listening through that mic from in the back door. But he was saying something, कुछ बाबा शब्द भी he was mentioning, and he said कोई पूछे तो बोला भाई ऐसा. But at that moment I said, okay, मेरे को गाड़ी चाहिए, मिल गया, मैं बैठ गया. And when that driver, he drove the car to the Horlands where I am staying, and he dropped me. It was next to my house, and I was really surprised how it happened. See, Baba, this is what. See, I am feeling all the pain or the disturbance, but my attention was on the God, and I was talking to him, and things happen. See, God is so powerful, he can change the intellect of the people. Not only intellect, even the situations, the climate. See, Baba says by word, he will say, I'm not doing anything. But he does everything. He can, in Madhuban mein ek bhai hai, he has got tumors, hundreds of tumors in his brain, and even doctors do not know how he is living. And he was supposed to die, but he, with so much, almost 15 years, he is still living with that tumor. And उनको है ना, दादी प्रकाश मणि जब था, she took that वो बाइक को ना, I think सुरेश भाई है उनका ना, उनको बाबा के पास लेकर आया. बाबा एक दृष्टि दिया उनको. उस समय वो बेहोश होकर गिर गया था, लेकिन उस दिन से he is normal. He is doing all the activities, ठीक है, बीच बीच में कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाते हैं, still he is living with hundreds of tumor. So Baba is not an ordinary person जैसे हम सोचते हैं ना, बाबा आ गया बात करके चले गया, ऐसा नहीं. He is the creator of the whole universe. जैसे हम आत्मा इस शरीर को क्रिएट करते हैं, शिव बाबा से सारा दुनिया चलता है. एंड उनके लिए एक थॉट चाहिए बस, he can do anything, miracle है ना, सेकंड में हो जाता है. Okay, so I just want to
thank
say,
you.
instead of focusing our attention on various obstacles, you use the time to focus on God and you will get the relief instantly.
Okay, thank you, brother. Thank you very much.
Yes, just we remember Baba now and then we'll say thank you.
Thank you for Baba.
मन की भाषा तू ही जाने, मन की भाषा तू ही जाने, और न जाने कोई दाता, और न जाने कोई.
मन मृग तृष्णा भटक रही थी, मन मृग तृष्णा भटक रही थी, और न जाने कोई दाता, और न जाने कोई.
सब चिंताएं दूर हुई है जब से मिला तेरा साथ. मन के शोर को तुमने थामा, हाथ में लेके हाथ, हाथ में लेके हाथ. धीरे धीरे हर मुश्किल से, धीरे धीरे हर मुश्किल से, पार लगाता कोई दाता, पार लगाता कोई.
मन की भाषा तू ही जाने,
मन की भाषा तू ही जाने,
और न जाने कोई दाता,
और न जाने कोई.
Thank you, Simbai.
Thank you, Paresh. Thank you, sister.
Yes, thank you very much.
अभी न जाओ छोड़ के, कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं, अभी अभी तो आए हो, बहार बन के छाए हो, खिजा जरा महक तो ले, ये दिल जरा बहक तो ले. ओम शांति बता. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much.
This is a gift from Baba for you.
थैंक यू सो मच.
ब्रिजमोहन भाई ये गाता है जब बाबा जाते हैं ना.
Okay, Shanti Sabiko.
Om
So
Shanti.
we'll meet
Good
in
night.
Amrit Vela. And good night.
Good night. Thank you, sister. Thank you, brother.
आशीष भाई का आशीष हमेशा बना रहे.
Good night. See you.
Thank you.